Seeing as it's Veganuary, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious vegan moussaka. Start by taking 2 bulbs of garlic, slicing in half, drizzle with olive oil and salt, cover with foil and place in the oven for 45 minutes at 180. Next we're going to make the mushroom duxelle, which is going to act as our meat substitute. Finally chop your shallots and mushrooms. Sweat down the shallots in vegan butter. Add your mushrooms and a tablespoon of garlic. Season with salt, pepper and thyme. Once you've cooked the liquid out of the mushroom, go in with a splash of vermouth. Add a handful of pecans for texture. Next we're going to prep our vegetables. Finely sliced potato, courgette and aubergine. Lay the vegetables on a tray, add some oil and season with salt, black pepper and oregano. Bake at 180 for 20 minutes, then layer the vegetables, potatoes first, then courgette, then aubergine. Top with the mushroom duxelle, and using the back of the spoon, just press down gently until it's all flat. Puree your garlic and press through a sieve, making sure it's nice and fine. We're going to add this to our bechamel sauce for heaps of flavour. 1 shallot, a handful of parsley and some black peppercorns whole go into a pot. We're going to flavour our milk with these. Now we're going to make a roux. 100 grams of vegan butter. Melt that down and slowly start to add flour until it thickens up and becomes one big lump. It should look something like this. To this roux, we're going to add our roasted garlic puree. Once the milk's been heated up, strain it and slowly start to add it to our roux. Keep adding milk slowly until you get a delicious and creamy sauce. Season the bechamel sauce with nutmeg, salt and black pepper. Top the layered vegetables and mushroom duxelle with your delicious bechamel sauce. You can see how creamy and smooth it is. Bake at 180 until it's golden brown and bubbling. This should take around 30 minutes. Top with parsley and enjoy. Thanks for watching.